Hello, good morning, beautiful and handsome K3B students. How are you today? How was your math yesterday? Did you enjoy it? Did you do your homework? Okay, your homework for math will be passed on Wednesday, okay? So today you're going to study science. So did you prepare your book, pencil, notebook, and crayons? Alright. Welcome to a new lesson today. Today's lesson is about taste, sense of taste. Okay, so we'll touch one more about colors, size, and shapes for your review. And after that, we'll proceed to the new topic. Okay, so please listen carefully. Alright, so look at here. So I'm going to review you the colors again. Please remember, okay? So if we say colors, we are talking about red, yellow, blue, green, brown, purple, black, pink, orange, gray, white. Okay? If you hear the word brown, you know it is already a color. Or yellow, blue, pink. Those are colors, okay? If you hear the word big, small, it refers to the shape, okay? Oh, no, the size. Alright, the size. What's the size of the ball? It's a big ball? Is it small ball? What's the size of your shoes? It is small or big, okay? If we say big or small, they are size, okay? Size. Alright, if you hear the word triangle, square, circle, those are shapes, okay? So you know what are the shapes? These are circle, triangle, rectangle, square, heart, crescent, and diamond, okay? So remember the word color, size, and shapes. Okay? So for the last activity about the color, size, and shapes, so look at here. If we say the sun is yellow, apple is red. So if you hear the word yellow, red, what are you referring for? Are they size, are they shape, or color? These are colors, okay? So you're going to circle color. Alright? You're going to circle color because yellow and red are colors. Alright? About this one, ring is small and ball is big. If we say big and small, what are you referring for? Are you referring for size, shape, or colors? So if we say small and big, they are size, okay? You're going to circle size. Next, number 3, table is square, chair is rectangle. If you hear the word square and rectangle, you are referring to, is it size, shape, or color? So we are referring to a shape, okay? So you're going to circle. For the last activity for colors, shapes, and size, at page 90, okay, the same activity as this, okay? So you're going to circle the correct answer. Here is the line, okay? So example number 1, my shoes is black, Lita's shoes is white. So our shoes differ in what? Is it size, shape, or color? If you hear the word black and white, what are they? Are they size, are they shape, or color? So they are, okay, you circle the word color. Number 2, in this box, the ring is small, the clock is big. If you hear the word small and big, what are they? Are they shape, color, or size? You're going to circle your answer. And number 3, the handkerchief is square. The book is rectangle. If you hear the word square and rectangle, what are they? Are they color, are they shape, or are they size? So they are what? Going to circle your answer. Okay? So this is your review about size, shape, and colors. Okay? So that ends for the topic about size, shape, and colors. Our lesson for today is about senses. Okay? Sense means what are the parts of the body that make sense. Okay, for the first lesson that we have today is sense of taste. Taste. Okay, what is taste? So we have different kinds of taste. Okay, and our tongue is in charge for tasting. Okay, our tongue here. Tongue. Okay, so tongue can taste sweet food. Tongue can taste sour food. Tongue can taste salty food. And tongue can taste bitter foods. Okay? We can taste also spicy. Okay? But we don't have spices here. Alright. So these are the foods. These are the different kinds of foods. Okay? Foods, every day we eat food. And we eat different kinds of foods every day, okay? So it depends upon your taste. What food do you like most? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite dish? Or what's your favorite beverage like chocolate or pineapple juice, orange juice? These are beverage, okay? But in here, we are talking about food, okay? So taste of some foods are sweet. What are the sweet foods? Okay, like ice cream. Do you like ice cream? Okay, what flavor do you like? Do you like mango flavor, chocolate flavor, pineapple flavor, or vanilla flavor? So it depends upon your taste, okay? So ice cream is sweet. About candies. Candies like lollipop, chocolates. Okay, candies also are sweets. Okay, so we taste very sweet. Cookies too. Okay, we like cookie, chocolate cookie. Alright. Custard apple. Custard apple. These are also very sweet. Okay, and cakes. You like cakes. When you have your birthday, your mom will buy cakes for you and you eat a lot of cakes. What other more? Okay, we have the chocolates. Okay, we have the chocolate. You have apple also. You have longan. Okay, so we still have other food that are sweets. Okay, longan. So these are sweet foods, okay? Sweet fruits like apple, longan, and this is chocolate, cakes, custard apple, ice cream, candies, and cookies. Okay, these are sweet foods. About some foods that are sour. Some foods are sour. When you taste sour, sometimes you do not like, but most of you also like sour food. Okay, very sour. Okay, example guava. What is a guava? There are two kinds of guava. The ripe guava, the color is yellow, and the green guava is green. This green guava is sour. Okay, so there are some oranges that are sweet. Some oranges also are sour. Okay, very sour. And also the tamarind, the color brown fruit. It is very sour. And you have pineapple. Some pineapples are sweet. Some pineapples are sour. And you have the vinegar. You know vinegar? So you put in your dish. It is very sour. You have also your mango. Okay, the green mangoes are sweet too. Okay. This also, some mangoes are sweet, especially the ripe mangoes, and green mangoes are sour, okay? And there are a lot of fruits that are sour, so you can name them, okay? So these are sweets, these are sour, sour, and these are salty. Put of salt. Don't know what is a salt? The color is white. You add into your dish. Okay, like seasoning. Okay, so this soy sauce, you add to your fish. This is also dried fish. It is salty, okay, salty, and salted fish also your mom put into your vegetable. When you cook cockle soup, your mom adds salted fish, and also salt, okay. You have also your junk food like chips, potato chips, those are salty food, okay, salty foods, soy sauce, dried fish, salted fish, salt, chips, and there are a lot more, okay. And also the bitter food. This food is not good to you, okay. If you like to eat bitter gourd, you are good, okay. So this is bitter gourd. This is kind of vegetable that is bitter. When you taste it, oh, it's not, the taste is not good. Okay, this is coffee. Your mom likes to eat coffee, the black coffee. If you drink it without sugar, this coffee is bitter, okay? The coffee powder, when you taste it, it is bitter. And also the medicine, okay? When you have headache or your mom gets sick and your mom or you will go to the doctor will prescribe you medicine, okay. So when you taste the medicine, it is bitter, okay, especially when you open it and you powder it in your tongue, the taste is bitter. Also the beer, Anchor beer, or the alcohol, when you taste it, it's bitter, okay. So alcohol is not good for you, all right. So they still have a lot of bitter foods, but these are the familiar, okay. Coffee powder, it is bitter. Medicine, when you open it and taste it, it is bitter gourd. Alcohol, so these are bitter food, okay. Again, sweet foods, these are the sweet food: sweet, sour, salty, bitter. These are the main taste, okay. These are the main taste of foods, okay, that we are eating every day, okay. So if you like to eat sour, you're good. Sweet, salty, bitter foods, okay. But I require you to just eat salty, sweet food. After eating, you have to brush your teeth so that it will not decay your teeth. And also foods that are sour, they are good for your health too, okay. Salty food is not good for your health. After eating salty food, you have to drink plenty of water. Bitter foods also good if you get sick. You can take medicine. Do not drink coffee. You can eat bitter gourd if you like, okay. Don't drink alcohol, okay. For your first activity, you're going to answer your book number 90, okay? Number 90, page 90. Alright, so this is your activity for today. You're going to accomplish number 90. Alright, so I'll be back after 5 minutes. Okay, kids. Alright, for your activities, you're going to do these different kinds of foods, okay? So, number 1, you're going to color. Okay, you see this one, color. Okay, so there is crayon here. You see crayon, you're going to color the food that are sweet, okay? Color the food that are sweet, or the food that are sweets here. Okay, there are 3 foods that are sweet. Okay, ice cream, pie, guava, or banana. So you are going to color the 3 foods that are sweet here. Okay, what are they? Alright. Number 2, cross out. If you see that one, there is an X here. So you're going to cross out the food that are sour. Sour. Okay, these are the sour foods. Okay, what are the sour foods here? Okay, like orange, like tamarind, vinegar. Okay, so those are sour foods. All right. So orange, vinegar, and tamarind are sour foods. You're going to cross out. If you see X, it means you're going to cross out. Okay? Then number 3, you see this one, number 3, check. Okay, number 3, you're going to check. Okay? So look at here. There is check. So you're going to check the foods that are salty. Salty means there are a lot of salt, salty. Okay, you're going to check, okay? Check the foods that are salty. What are the salty foods? These are the salty foods: dried fish, soy sauce, salt. Okay? Alright, so going to check. Then ring means circle. Ring the foods that are bitter. Okay, you're going to circle the foods that are bitter. Right? These are the bitter foods: coffee, bitter gourd, medicine, alcohol. So here, okay, you're going to ring the foods that are bitter. What are they? Alright, is it coffee? Is it juice, bitter gourd, or avocado? Circle, okay? And here you're going to X again. There is X here. Cross out the objects that smell bad. Okay? So, can you see the pictures in here? You're going to cross out the objects that is very bad smell. Okay? Smell bad. Like trash can. Is it baby powder? Is it smell bad? The rat. Okay, the rotten rat or the rotten food. You're going to cross out. Okay? Smell bad. Cross out. Okay, for these other activities here, task number 2, you're going to cut pictures. If you have some magazines at home, okay, so you're going to cut sweet food, okay? Maybe group and paste them below according to taste. Maybe 2 or 3 of the foods that is sweet, sour, salty, bitter. Okay, you're going to cut. Get your scissor if you have magazine or pictures, but do not cut your book. Okay, so you're going to paste here. Okay, if you don't have magazines or old books, just draw. Okay, draw sweet food, draw sour food, draw salty food, draw bitter food, okay, and color. If you don't have magazines or if you don't have old books, okay, and still have time. Alright, so too much for this. You're going to do number 95, 96, and 97, okay? So 95, 96, and 97 in your book. Okay, so after I will give you 15 minutes to finish your activities. Please do it by yourself. Okay, I'll be back after 15 minutes. Okay, for your activity, for your homework, kids. Alright, this is your homework. You can see the different kinds of foods here. You're going to color, okay? So you can use all your crayons to color these pictures, okay? For example, sweet foods. What are the colors of these sweet foods? Sour foods, salty foods, and bitter food, okay? So please color properly, okay? So I will give you grade for this, alright? So thank you for your listening. Thank you for your cooperation. See you tomorrow for your English subjects, okay? Bye-bye.